We'll see the first topic, blogger. In this blogger, we'll see the first topic is website. First of all, how to open a website, how to access any website, what you are doing. Domain name, very good. You will be enter our domain name. Any website, if you want to access or if you want to create our own website also, first you should require a domain name. So the domain name it should be look like www.facebook.com. Like this is one domain name. Now coming to the blogger, blogger will give you one free subdomain for you. One free subdomain. Subdomains means like it should be look like abc.blogspot.com. By default, blogspot.com is showing for every domain by default. Now here where you will save your data in our website. For example, you upload one picture in Facebook. You can chance to see after 1 year also where it has been saved in server. Very good. Here the storage space. The storage space we call as a server. Any content, either images, either text or videos, any content you will be saved in our server space. Here every website should have a server space. The server space we call as a hosting space. The server space we call as a hosting space. For the paid domains, you have to buy your own server space in real time. You should buy our server space in real time for our own website content according to our website. There is a large website, you have to buy a unlimited storage space. Here in this storage space, you will be save our content. Content means it will becomes under all the files of your website, like our images, videos, and our coding files. Everything is comes under database. Everything it will be saved in our server. Now, if you want create a website, these two things is required: domain name and server space. For the blogger, what happened? Gmail will give a server space. Gmail will give you up to 15 GB space. All the Google products. All the Google products. What are the Google products? We have Blogger, Google Drive. Like in our go to the apps, all the products information you can find. Now with help of this 15 GB space, you will be create our blogger website. After reaching the 15 GB, you have to upgrade our premium account. You have to take your premium account in Gmail. Clear? Who will providing a hosting space for our blogger website? Gmail. You see in below of the Gmail, bottom of the Gmail, the storage space it will be shown. Now if you want create a website, these 2 points is important. Coming to the blogger, here blogger is a blog publishing service. Blogger is a blog publishing service. What it can do is it will be allowed to the users to write a blog articles. Blogger is a one tool. This tool was developed by Paralabs in 2003. Google bought this tool. Now Blogger is a Google product. Blogger is a Google product. Here, if you want create a blog, you have to create a domain. For each and every domain, the subdomain name it will be shown .blogspot.com. They will give a free subdomain for you. Here, why you want to create a blog? What is the reason behind? Why you want to create a blog? Publishing articles, earn money, very good. To introduce ourselves, very good. Yeah. Then You can use the storytelling and what in our minds we can express our thoughts through content based, and what are the interesting topics you have. We will be published articles on those particular generic topics. There is so many benefits we have. We can chance to earn money, increase our audience engagement. Once the audience are once the followers or audience are increased with our content, then they will be keep on visit our website. You observe we are visiting one website for getting latest updates daily in a day at any time. We are visiting any entertainment site, any news website for getting latest news. Like the people, they can chance to visit our website again and again, revisit based on our publishing content. Once the content is engaged with our audience, the content is interesting to audience. Here, what you should do it, you will be keep on publish a content daily. At least you should publish minimum 3 posts. My suggestion, you will be write 5 to 10 posts. Here, blog is a blog publishing tool, and you will be keep on publish a content using this blogger tool. These topics will see how to create a blog and what is the template and what is the themes and pages and posts, how to create a menus. These things we'll see one by one. First, you will be decide which topic you want to create a blog. There is a different generic topics. Can you guess? Can you tell me guys? Different generic topics. Traveling, food blogs, sports, e-commerce. Very good. Then media, storytelling. Then try photography. Anything, any creativity, gaming, anything. For any generic topic you will be take. If you don't know the idea, go to the Google, type blog writing ideas. They'll give you so many ideas for you. Take one interesting topic, you stick on the topic, you will be keep on publishing content on those particular topic. Or you will be start with a general website, you will be publishing all the topics. Here, some of the generic articles also is there. What are the generic articles? For example, see, latest updates in WhatsApp. Everyone see the this content. And if you forgot the Gmail password, how to recover? If you lose our debit card, then what do we have to do? Like this type of the blog articles will be read. These are the generic articles. It is helpful. It is useful to everyone. If you want to increase the profit, like this type of the content also you will be published. Now take one particular topic which one you have to interest, then you will be focus on to create a blog on those particular topic. Can you guess? Can you guess? Tell me one particular topic, guys. Traveling, sports, then e-commerce. E-commerce on which product? Electronics, like gaming, fashion, health, softwares, technology. Like these are the some generic topics. Okay? See, don't follow the blindly other websites, other reference sites. Better follow the magazines. You know the magazine, technology magazines is the magazine books. Or follow the company latest news, and you will update yourself first. first in first out. Don't follow the Times of India, Hindu, like this website's news, because of that is already published in news. Okay, you have to try to better to give a new content that is helpful to audience to engage more. Here, see, for example, take one blog and take technology. What type of the topics you want to publish in this technology? Type softwares, then tools, then then obligations, devices. So devices means like mobile, latest laptops, and what are the smartphones? These are all the comes in. Then games, latest games like robot games, 3D games, VFX games. Like you will be fine. Like these are the topics you should be right. These topics what we call these topics we call as a menus. If you open any website, these menus it will be showing at the top of the website. These menus it will be showing on top of the website. Now take one topic and start with creating blog. How to create a blog? What are the steps you have to follow? Note down. Everyone created Gmail ID. Okay. Then with this Gmail ID, you will be create your blog using this Gmail ID. Don't use your personal email IDs for digital marketing activities. Use this new Gmail ID. So one Gmail ID we are using for creating blog, creating Google Analytics, creating Google Ads, do the keyword research, and creating Google Merchant Center, creating Google Search Console. Okay, there is a so many times we are using this Gmail. That's why I said to create a new Gmail ID. Not done. How to create a blog? We'll see practical. Sin, everyone create a new Gmail ID. Now, how to create a blog with this Gmail ID? Yes, created Gmail ID. Tell me your Gmail ID. Anyone? Digital WA. Okay, fine. Password capital E మళ్ళీ ENG 1 2 3. Don't change your password. Yeah, after login our Gmail ID, see go to Google Apps. There is option we have a blogger. You can use here. I directly will be logging in. After my session, go to Google, type blogger.com. Directly will be login. Go to the blogger.com, click on create blog. Create your blog. Choose our Gmail ID. and enter our password. So after enter the password, here from which category blog you want to create, enter a blog name, the name of the blog. Tell me which type of the blog you want to create. So technology related. So like techno sharing. Your blog name is like techno sharing. See, this is our title of the blog. You will be decide title, then click on the next, add our domain name. By default, .blogspot.com is showing for each and every domain. So what is our domain? technoshare.blogspot.com. What is the error message it has shown? Sorry, this blog address is not available. Then you have to change some name. Now this domain is available, techno screen share, like the name it's look like. Then you will be at techno screen share. This is our title of the blog. Then go to the next, add our domain name, techno screen share. This blog address is available. Then only you can able to create a blog. What are the domain name was given? Then click on next. Here you will be give your display name. Display name is your name, author name. Author name is Mr. Maji. Then click on finish. After creating the blog, it will be showing like this. This is our blogger backend. Using one Gmail ID, you can create up to 100 blogs. But don't create all the 100 blogs. Don't waste our time. Focus on one or two important blogs. Here, this is our blog. If you want to create another blog, click on this arrow mark, click on new blog. Again, the same steps it will be going to repeat. Now, after creating the blog, this is our blogger backend. With help of this blogger backend options, you can design our blog. How we can see our output? When you click on the view blog, see this is our output. If anyone want to create a temporary website immediately, will be create like this. This is our domain name. Right now, nothing here. What is our domain is techno screen share. Right now, nothing here. You have to do, you have to design our blog. You will be add our templates, then you will be design everything. This is our domain name. If you want to create a free website immediately, this is the best option. If you need any requirement, you observe some wedding photographers. These people also created with bloggers only. And they'll give a live stream through the blogs. After creating the blog, now I want to designing this blog. For designing, I'm not a developer. I'm not a website developer. At the time, what we are doing, already some design templates is there. Predefined templates. Those templates will be utilized for our blog. All the templates is available on guyabitemplates.com. The website is guyabitemplates.com. guyabitemplates.com. This is a website. All the blogger templates is available. This is a free and paid version, both is available. For practicing, take a free version. Don't go for in-depth in blog. I said yesterday. Just we go focus on learning basics, then we will be create our commercial site on WordPress. Here, click on create a blogger templates. Now, there is a three types of this: a responsive, free blog, and SEO ready templates. Take SEO ready templates. Take SEO ready templates. Here, see, all the templates is available. You can check a preview also how it's look like before utilizing. Just you can click on the template, then you will be click on live preview how it's look like our website. Check a preview. See the preview, it will be showing like this: our menus, our top of the heading post, and our right sidebar, and our recent publishing post, and in our footer. Like our website, how it's look like. You will be check our review. Don't buy it. It will charge. This is affordable $9 or $10 only. And when you click on the download, then the template file data it will be going to download it. Here initially you guys are practicing on this template. Note down the template name is Inside Blogger template. Inside Blogger template. Note down Inside Blogger template. Click on Inside Blogger template. Click on Inside Blogger template. See, this template also is available on guyabitemplates.com only. And download and click on download. The template file will download as a zip format. Template file will download as a zip format. Then paste this zip file in desktop. This is our template file. This is our template file. It will be downloaded in zip format. Then, if you want to install our Blogger templates here, if you want to install our Blogger template, just right click on our zip file, then click on extract to inside. Click on extract to inside. Then it will be generate one folder. In this folder, inside XML file is that this is our template file. Go to your Blogger backend. Go to your Blogger backend. If you want install a template, Blogger template, click on theme. Then here there is option is that customize. In this customize, right side arrow mark is there. Click on arrow mark. Then select restore. Then click on upload. After uploading, go to our template file location. Go to extracted folder. Then select our inside XML file. Inside XML file, then click on open. Once will be click on, automatically it will be restoring our theme. Here go to the theme, click on arrow mark, then click on restore. The XML file will be select from our desktop. This is a file inside XML. And after installing, just you can click on view blog. See, after installing our template, how it's look like our website. Before installing, it will be showing. After installing, it will be showing like this. Now, what is our task? You should design our website. You add our menus, create a post, create a logo, create a header file. These things will be learned in our Blogger concept. Understand how to install your Blogger. Anyone have any doubts? See, go to Blogger backend, click on theme. In our customers, click on arrow mark, click on restore, upload our template file. According to our menus, we will be design our blog.